मारूफ उठो अब तुम हालात बदल डालो, आ जाओ रुकावट तो इतिहास बदल डालो।
Dear audience, as the next speaker, I would like to call Mr. Abu Zura. Please come and deliver his speech.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Honorable guest, respected teacher, and dear all. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to speak some word on the topic of education. I would like to deliver a speech over the importance of education at this great occasion in front of you. Dear audience, education is very important to all of us. Our parents make us learn many things at home and then send us to school after the age of 3 years. Our home are the first education institute where we learn how to behave to others and other skills. However, school education is very necessary to be successful in personal and professional life. Dear listener, education provides us with various types of knowledge and skills. It is a continuous, slow and secure process of learning which helps us in obtaining knowledge. It is a continuous process which starts when we take birth and ends when our life ends. Dear audience, we should make our habits of learning always, all through life, from our teachers, parents, family members, and other related people in our life. We should learn to become a good person, learn to live in home, society, community, and friend circle. Attending school and receiving an education is extremely vital for every person and necessary those who want to achieve success. Dear listener, we all take birth in the same manner at the same planet. However, do not get same opportunity to receive such type of formal education which may lead every one of us towards success because the lack of money and knowledge of parents. So it is our responsibility to provide good opportunity to those who are suffering from the lack of means and help them get education. Here I wind up my speech. Thank you.